CNC machines are marvels of modern manufacturing. Guided by robotics and automation, they cut, mill, and shape with incredible precision, often down to thousandths of an inch. But here's the truth. No matter how advanced the robotics, these machines don't run themselves. It takes a skilled human to program them, to listen to subtle changes in sound, to feel when a tool is wearing down, and to adjust settings that keep production on track. Robotics deliver consistency, but craftsmanship ensures reliability. The human touch is what transforms a CNC machine from a piece of equipment into a trusted partner in production. Because in the end, technology may drive the process, but people keep it running smoothly. Here at Adept, we value our people to keep things running on time and correctly for you.